I am tired. Please don't mind the background. There's a dog cage in the back in case we need to take our dog somewhere like vets and such. It's just left from there anyway. So literature and language is done. Now 3 more exams to go, which is nice. I'm definitely gonna need a dinner today to reward myself. So I'm gonna go get some nice dinner all by myself. Can't wait. I wish I could show you what the exam situation looked like, but they are so strict with the security there. There are like 4 security cameras there, and we weren't allowed to even bring cell phones, any digital devices like watches. I couldn't even take a picture of what the situation looked like, or a video regardless, other than my lunch. But that was outside the room where we did the exam, so there's that. I'm gonna go to the gym before eating because I'm not hungry yet, and I'm planning to do that in the evening. So yeah. I'm just so happy it's done. Oh.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. Why?
I had a massive workout. I'm gonna go get some lunch for tomorrow. I want something like... already done or like ready to go, because I have no idea what I want to make. So I'm just gonna go see what they have, pack that with me tomorrow for my exam, and enjoy it over there while I do the exam. What am I saying? Oh yeah, by the way, meet Steve. Someone just randomly gave it to me on Women's Day. So we're going with that. I spilled coffee on my gloves. Hold on. English is done. 2 more exams to go. And that's psychology and Swedish. So I'm almost done with my finals, which is making me so happy. It's raining. I did the exam, and then after that I had this opportunity to apply to my next school, which is university, which I really hope I will get into. I applied for that, and I feel great now that it's done, because that is one of the most stressful things as well. But yeah, I did that. I'm gonna go home now to rest because I'm tired. Look at these eyebrows. This is an awful weather to drive in. Oh my god. I don't like this. Like, you can barely see. Okay, you can see forward, but it's kind of like foggy. It's snowing crazy right now. Yeah, my car is sliding.